Hello everyone, my name is Preena and I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my MS in Software Engineering from Bitspilani University in 2012 and I quit my previous job and I took a career break. And after career break, when I decided to join back, I came to know about Aviation Technoserve from one of my friend, and I have joined Aviation in 2022. In Aviation, I have learned a lot of topics in the networking in Windows as well as in Linux. All the trainers are very well trained and they are experts in that domain. And all the trainers even took mock interviews to build our confidence. After this internship program in aviation for about 45 days, I got placed in precision group with the 3 lakhs per annum package, and all the required skills and knowledge for this job I got from the aviation team. And thank you aviation team and their placement team for this great opportunity, and thank you once again.